Hi guys, it is Monday evening after work. It's about 7:20. I am on my way to Long Beach after work to check on the Chrysler SRT8. Very exciting car. I've been looking at those for a while to get either a Dodge or a Chrysler with the SRT8. I think it's a great and exciting car. Came out, looks like over the weekend. I have not been checking the SRTs. I've been looking for an AMG E55 lately. But went on the website this morning, checked it out, and boom, it was there. Here I am, I got the trailer, driving my Tundra, and hoping to negotiate a good deal on this SRT and close it today and hopefully bring it home. I'll keep you posted. Well, so today is the morning of the following day, and guess what? Yes, it is official. I got the least expensive and probably the best deal nationwide on the SRT8. 2006, 133,000 miles on it. One owner, California owner, 13 years straight. And I got it for under $5,000. Yes, unbelievable deal, but it has quite a few issues, which I will show you in a bit. Nothing major, mostly cosmetics. I was looking for a solid engine and transmission, which it is. Belonged to a mid-aged gentleman who did not race it, but as you can tell, because the bumper lip is lower, it just shredded. And the underneath cover that connects the bumper to, let's say, this inside liners inside of your fenders they're gone. Tires, as you can tell, are gone. Paint is not too bad. The car has original paint on all the panels, which is great news. I love that. Rear tires are gone. Some paint chips here. Nothing major, like I said, mostly cosmetics. What's important on these cars, based on my research, is the engine and transmission. A little dent here. That's probably the biggest cosmetic issue that I have, but again, not a big deal. I can fix that. And again, tires are gone. I will also try to restore the rims because I do like this style. I think on this year of SRT they look the best. Overall, great appearance. I think the best deal out there for sure. The battery was kind of sketchy last night. Every time I would start it, it just seemed like it was just on the edge. Hopefully it will start. The front, the rotors, oh, they're beautiful actually. No lip. I cannot tell about the pads. They look like they're towards the end, actually. Boom. We'll start from the back. I'm not sure if they had horses or what, but it's full of hay. Both struts that support the trunk are gone. Some spare parts that I'm sure we'll find out later what they belong to and where. Let's see if we have a spare tire. Ooh, bunch of different things. Oh, that's encouraging. The battery is actually looking brand new. There is no spare tire in the SRT8. I was not aware of that. Now we know. No tears, no rips. Just has not been cleaned for a long time. Leather is in good shape. Alcantara is in good shape. Just need some cleaning. First impression, the leather is really good, very soft, very smooth, no cracks. 13 years in California sun, in very good shape. The execution of the interior is good. Ceiling is not sagging. That's great news. You just need to clean it. Overall, not a big deal in the back at all. Let's move in the front. Again, needs some cleanup. Little wear and tear after having the elbow on the side. Deep clean he needs. But okay, so here we go. Little paint touches here. Again, not a big deal. Noticed that yesterday a lot of spillage of Coke, Pepsi, and not cleaning at all. Nasty. We'll take care of that. I was surprised about that. 13 years. The virginity of the radio screen is still on. Will be exciting to take it off. This side again, cleaning, but again, seats are not torn apart. Alcantara is in good shape. We'll clean it up. Oh man, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah, nasty. Ooh, juicy. Oh man. I'm excited. I think when we'll be done with this car, it will look just immaculate. I think it will be a great transformation. So stay tuned, stay with us on this one. Great bones, great car overall. You heard the engine. And there he is, 6.1 Hemi. Again, both struts supporting the hood are gone. Notice this, I got this yesterday. The oil stick or dipstick is just broken off and just left like that. And look at this, the air hose, boom, just broken off like that. Look at this, even the windshield wipers are done, just gone. I think like in overall day-to-day maintenance and upkeep, this car was just let down. I'm very excited to bring it back to life. Actually looking forward to working on this car with my guys, with my sons, and bringing it back to glory. So once again, it's official, we got the best deal on the SRT8 nationwide. 2006, 133,000 miles. And he looks good, it's a good project, I'm very excited, so stay tuned with us. Watch how it will transform into a beauty of American muscle. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and stay with us, it will be fun. Thanks, bye.